Hey, this is a review of the Neilmed Sinus Rinse All Natural Sinus Relief. This gives you large volume and low pressure saline nasal irrigation. It also provides moisturization and daily nasal hygiene. You can use this to clean nasal passages affected by allergies, dryness, hay fever, sinus pressure, nasal stuffiness, nasal symptoms from the flu and cold, nasal irritation from occupational and house dust, fumes, animal dander, grass pollen, smoke, and post-nasal drip and nasal congestion. This comes with a rinse bottle. This comes with an instruction book, a rinse bottle, and 50 pre-mixed packets of the Neilmed Sinus Rinse. The Sinus Rinse contains sodium chloride and sodium bicarbonate. You mix each packet with 8 ounces of water, and you want to make sure it's distilled or microfiltered, bottled, or previously boiled and cooled down water at lukewarm or body temperature. You do not want to use fresh tap water. When your head's stuffed up and your sinuses are clogged, it's very uncomfortable, and this stuff really helps. If you have sinus trouble, this will do wonders for you. I use it when I'm having allergy issues or if I have a cold or a sinus infection. Pour in 8 ounces of water up to the fill line and mix the packet in the bottle. Press your finger over the hole and shake it. Then you place the bottle in your nose, keep your mouth open, tilt your head down. Place the cap against your nasal passage and squeeze the bottle gently until the solution starts draining from the opposite nasal passage. You may have some come through your mouth also, which is normal. Then you can blow your nose gently and then sniff any residual solution remaining in the nasal passage once or twice, because this can help clean out the back area. Then you repeat this for your other nasal passage.